Hello friends. A video I've been meaning to make for a while is about why I chose Hope and Homes for Children as the charity I was going to support on my walk from Land's End to John O'Groats and back again. I've been supporting Hope and Homes for Children for 22 years and they've been doing a wonderful job helping to rescue children from some of the most awful orphanages that you could imagine. And any orphanage is just not a suitable environment for a child. I like Hope and Homes for Children because they achieve so much from so little. They're a small charity based here in the UK, but operating in several countries in Eastern Europe and Africa, and recently in India as well. You might not know that 80% of children in orphanages are not orphans. They have a family member that could look after them, sometimes with very little help. Maybe they just need a little bit of extra money each week to help feed and clothe the child, and some moral support and support from social workers. And that's what Hope and Homes for Children offer. It costs around £1,100 to individually assess a child and take them out of an institution, find either members of their own family or another family that will take them in their own country, and then to support them. That's a tiny amount. That's what we spend on a holiday, sometimes less than we spend on a holiday. And that can completely transform a child's life forever. When Hope and Homes for Children first went into Romania after Ceausescu, there were 110,000 children in dreadful institutions. That's now down to a couple of thousand and will be zero very shortly. I like the way Hope and Homes for Children work with governments to persuade them that taking children out of institutional care is a better way of looking after children, but also saves the government money. That gives them the incentive to get on and do it. Rwanda is one of the very few countries in the world with no orphanages at all, and that's purely down to Hope and Homes for Children. The amount of money that this walk could raise is enough to take about 65 children out of institutional care and change their lives absolutely and completely forever.